In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone border lights not working with Siri. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if the glowing neon border lights around the edge of your screen fail to activate when you summon Siri, it means the hardware interface is missing its trigger. So what you want to do is turn on Listen for Siri. So I'm going to go over to my settings and scroll down and tap on Siri, or Safe Search in Siri, or Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then tap on Listen For. Then once you find Listen For, all you got to go ahead and do is make sure it is and ensure it is set to Siri or Hey Siri, enabling the voice activation trigger, just as you saw right there. And then, that's what you're basically going to see, which is exactly what you want it to be. You can also turn on Talk to Siri, and again, make sure it's on exactly what I just said. I'm not going to obviously say it, but you can also press the side button for it as well. Now, what you also want to do is go back to your settings, back to your default settings, then find accessibility. Now, we want to go ahead and tap on motion, which is going to be within vision, and then look for a toggle that's called reduce motion, and then go ahead and make sure that is off as well. Then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.